In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chart in a cell in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to turn a selection of data into a clear visual right inside your spreadsheet, with a couple of helpful tips to avoid common snags. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the top right, click the grid icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. This is where you'll find all your Google tools in one place. Choose Sheets to open the Google Sheets home screen, then open the spreadsheet you want to work with. If you're already in Sheets, you can jump right into your file. Once your spreadsheet is open, highlight the data you want to visualize. Click and drag to select a clean block of cells. It's best if your first row contains labels, like month or sales, and your first column contains categories or dates. Keeping the selection contiguous helps Sheets understand what belongs on the axes. If your data has blank rows or mixed text and numbers in the same column, consider tidying that up first so the chart reads correctly. With your range selected, go to the top menu, click Insert, and then choose Chart. As soon as you do, Sheets will place a chart on the canvas and open the chart editor on the right. It automatically guesses a chart type based on your data, for example, a column chart for categories or a line chart for dates and trends. Because the chart is linked to your selection, any updates you make to those cells will flow into the chart in real time. If the chart doesn't look right at first glance, don't worry. Sheets usually detects headers and categories, but if it doesn't, look for options in the editor to treat the first row as headers or the first column as labels. You'll also see settings to switch chart types, adjust series, and refine the look so the story of your data is as clear as possible. A quick note on the phrase, "in a cell." The workflow you just used creates a standard chart object that lives on the sheet and is tied to your selected cells. If you need a tiny, truly in-cell visualization inside one cell, Google Sheets offers a separate feature specifically designed for that. For most use cases, though, the chart you just inserted is the fastest and most flexible way to visualize a range. That's it. Open Sheets, select your data, insert, chart, and your insights are instantly visible.